guys, guess what? Today we're going to learn how to paint. I am so excited. Whee! The first thing we're going to do is write our names. Always at the bottom and always with your section. Don't put my name, put your name. The next thing we're going to do is draw a picture with the black crayon. Now let's talk about the paint set. The first thing you need to know is how to take care of the brush. The brush has a soft tip made out of hairs. This is the danger zone. We don't touch the tip and we don't touch the silver part. We only touch right here on the handle because this part usually has paint on it, so we don't want to get paint on our fingers. Now, you always want to remember, it's like somebody's head, okay? You want to be nice to it and treat it gently. So the first time you get your brush, if it is dry, you can tickle your hand with it, and you want to think about how lightly you should use it. We don't want to go and pound it. It's not a shovel either for digging in the paint. Instead, you want to be really light and gentle with it, like you were tickling a baby. Yeah, remember, it's like somebody's hair. Don't hurt the brush's hair. You would not like it either. So, to make watercolors work, and these are watercolor paints, you're going to have to get them wet. So first I like to wake them up. You just put a drop of paint on the ones that you're going to use. And then they will start to wake up. Now, we need to remember to always wash the brush in between colors. So I think I'm going to paint in the sky first. I like to start with the sky because it's at the top, and that way I don't drag my hand through it. So I gently, not digging, gently brush the color to get the paint, and then I can start painting. And I like to keep it on my paper. Don't paint on the table. Do we paint on our hands? No, never paint on your hands. Never paint on your hands! And I'm going to go ahead and paint in that sky. Beautiful blue. Get a little bit more if it runs out. Now, I'm ready to paint in the top of the tree maybe, but before I can get green, I have to wash the brush because it still has blue paint. If I put it in there right now, I will get the green dirty with blue. So I always have to wash the brush and then wipe it on the edge if there's drips. Now I can get some green. Wash, 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 wash. Now if I want to paint the grass yellow, I really have to wash my brush because yellow is a light color. If I get any green or any other color into the yellow, it will end up turning a dingy brown, and I don't want it to be dirty. So I'm going to get some yellow now that my brush is clean, and I will paint in the grass. Another super important thing to know about painting is not to paint too much in one spot, because if you do, if you keep painting in the same spot over and over, something happens, and it's not a good something. look what's happening. Do you see that? The paper is starting to come off. And if I keep doing it, uh-oh, I made a hole in my paper. That's not good. So do not keep painting in the same spot. You paint it one time, like this, and then you need to move on to a different place to paint. Don't paint in the same spot or you'll end up with a hole in your paper. And also, please don't paint like this, like I was doing, because it also kind of messes up your brush, and we want our brushes to last a long time. So don't give your brush a bad hair day. Don't do it! Be really, really nice to your brush, okay?